Hello students, in this video we will learn linked list implementation of stack. First we see how push operation performed over linked list stack. Case 1 is when stack is empty, that means value of top equals to null. Here I am using singly linked list, so we have to create a node using a structure by writing a struct node int data node star link and closing of structure by writing closing curly bracket semicolon. When the stack is empty and when we want to push an element into stack, what we have to perform first, I have to create a new node by writing p equals to new node, then store data into node by writing p arrow data equals to 50 and store null into link field of p node by writing p arrow link equals to null, as this is the first node of the stacked linked list. So we have to store address of p, that means this node, into top. So initially top contains null, now top contains address of this new node p, that means now top contains 800. So top is pointing to this node. This is the topmost node of the stack. Case 2 is when stack is not empty, that value of top is not equals to null. Now we have a stack containing a single node having value 10 and the address of this node is 100 and top is pointing to this node. Now I want to insert a new node at the topmost position of this linked stack. So what we have to write, we have to create a new node by writing p equals to new node, then store x, that means any value which you want to store into node, by writing p arrow data equals to 20 in this case, then store address of this node into link part of this new node. This is our p node and the address of this node is stored in top pointer. So we have to write p arrow link equals to top, that means now link part of this node contains 100 and then point top to this new node, as this is the topmost of the linked stack. So we have to write top equals to p, that means now top contains 200 instead of 100. Again I want to push value 30 into the stack. Then what we have to write, we have to create a new node, then store data value into p data field by writing p arrow data equals to 30. In this case x is 30. So again in the link field of the p, store the value of top. So link contains address 200, which is the address of this node. Now update the top pointer by p, top is now pointing to 300, this node, instead of 200. In this way push operation perform over linked stack. So how we write algorithm for it? First we have to write algorithm, then name of algorithm is push. We require two parameters, top and x. Purpose of this algorithm is, this algorithm inserts a value at topmost position in a stack. Assumptions are top is the pointer to topmost node, x is value to be inserted. Step 1, create a new node from memory by writing p colon equals to new node. If p equals to null, that means there is no empty node available in memory, so we have to print no empty node available in memory and exit from this algorithm. Otherwise we have to perform step 2, initialize new node p by writing p arrow data equals to x and p arrow link equals to null. In step 3, if stack is empty, then new node p becomes the topmost node of stack. If top equals to null, that means there is no node available in a stack, so the node we are inserting is the topmost node of the stack. So we have to store address of p into top by writing top colon equals to p and exit from this algorithm. But if stack is not empty, then we have to update the link field of p by top by writing p arrow link equals to colon equals to top, and now update the value of top pointer by p by writing top colon equals to p, and step 6 is AND. Next is pop operation. Case 1 is when stack is empty, that means value of top equals to null, then we have to print no node to delete and exit from the algorithm. But if the case 2 is when stack is not empty, here you write not empty. That means value of top is not equals to null. Suppose we have given a linked stack having 3 nodes containing value 10, 20 and 30. This is the topmost value of the stack and we want to delete this value. As we know that when we perform pop operation, first we get the topmost value. So when this node is deleted, this will become the topmost node of the stack. So first we check if the value of top is not equals to null, that means stack is not empty, then we have to print the deleted value is top data. We print the deleted value, that means 30 in C++ by using cout, and as I want to delete this node, I have to store the address of this node into temporary node by writing temp equals to top, as top contains the address of this node. So I have to write temp equals to top. Then now I have to point this top to this node, address of this node which is stored in top link. So I have to write top equals to top link. Now top contains address 200 which is the address of this node. Now this is the topmost node of the linked stack. And finally I have to delete the node pointed by temp, that means this node. So now stack the linked list contains 2 nodes having values 20 and 10 and top is pointing to node having address 200. So how we write algorithm for it? First we have to write algorithm, the name of algorithm is pop. Only one parameter is required, that means top, and purpose of this algorithm is it deletes an element from stack. Assumption is top, that means pointer to topmost or last node. First we have to check for empty stack. If top equals to null, then we have to print no node to delete, and that means stack is empty and exit from the algorithm. Step 2 is print the value which is going to delete. So we have to write print deleted value is top arrow data. Now store address of top into temporary pointer by writing temp colon equals to top, and update the address of top by writing top equals to top arrow link, and now free the memory of topmost node pointed by temp by writing delete temp. Step 6 is AND. In next video we will learn applications of stack. Thank you.